4-week educators course.
Professional Development Days lets the staff come together, plan, organise and continue our professional learning as a community of professionals.
作为一个中文老师，我觉得我们很高兴能有这样的一个时间，大家放下手头繁忙的工作，坐在一起进行思维碰撞。
I think it's so amazing that SSIS is going to train its teachers and really push out the importance of bringing language into the classroom so all of our students have a better understanding of English and can reach a bigger and broader world.
As educators, it is always good to come together from preschool to primary school to senior school to work together to figure out how we can further enhance our curriculum and our activities at SSIS.
Right now you can see we're doing some strategic planning and some visioning for the years ahead. So this has been a great day for SSIS and a great day for all our teachers to learn.
We can give a strategic opinion on what matters to make changes in the moment and for the future of our amazing children.
The events and conversations today have been very important, very useful ones, particularly in understanding how we can drive ourselves forward as a school, thinking about the needs of our students and thinking about all the voices of the staff around the room and contributing to how we move forward.
An excellent opportunity for collaboration.
Teachers really benefited today by participating in restorative practices training, where they were able to find practical ways to create community in the classroom, build relationships, support student learning and understanding, and helping students repair harm.
A highlight for me is putting our focus on bilingual and multilingual learners and working hard to make sure that we are providing them opportunities where we can set them up for success.
For our primary school, we've been talking about restorative justice with Ms. Strout and Mr. Rampton leading our PD. I feel like hearing what they had to say really explained what restorative justice is, and it got us teachers really excited about putting this restorative justice into practice.
For us to be able to involve different stakeholders in this day of training and also the visioning for the future of the school, I think it's a great day for us to think about the future with all the stakeholders.
We look forward to future opportunities to support our teachers' learning through professional development at SSIS.